my god, that shit made me fucking buzz.
What's up, YouTube? Look at this. 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 I finally got tint, full ceramic tint all around. It's so cool. Yeah, that shit's hard. And it's ceramic, so like, I think it blocks out more UV lights and all that kind of stuff. Yeah, it's pretty cool. So I have 50 and then 20 all around for the rest of them. It's literally just been on here for like 5 hours now. I'm very happy with the results. I'm trying to get a full, hold up. Look at that. My God, bro. I think I literally just busted. Do recommend. I needed to do this sooner. I should have done this first. So I also had the dash cam, which had to be taken off since the tint got on. It had to be taken off. I have a question. I don't know if anybody knows the answer to this, but if I let the tint stay on here for like 2 or 3 days, could I put my dash cam on safely without, I don't know, damaging the tint? That's like my big concern, but everything else looks really good. I'll give you guys some videos at night of me driving around, so you can kind of just see how it is from the inside looking out. It will be my first time driving at night too with these, so I mean, it shouldn't be that bad. 50 is like, I want to say it's nothing. It's good. I mean, look at it. I'll put a side by side with like an older picture I have, but it's very nice. Kind of like a POV when I'm driving, so you'll see that right now. Just got off of work, and this is what it looks like from the outside. Very dark. Still can see inside, not on the camera though, but you can definitely see inside. I want to show you how cool it looks actually. It's so fucking sick, dude. There's my homie's car, Caden. Sexy motherfucker. Also, I don't know if you guys have ever heard the cold start from this thing. I mean, it's nothing crazy. It's literally just to tow my cat back, but I do want you guys to hear it. I love this fucking car, dude. Well, this is what it looks like from the inside. You can't really tell on the phone, but you can definitely still see things from the outside. I also really do think that 50% on the windshield was definitely like the best option, because it's just in between like dark and light, and you can actually like see out of it. When I was first getting tint, I really thought about getting like 35, and even the guy at the tint shop was like, that's really dark, you're not going to be able to see a whole lot. So I went 50, 20 all around. Everything is still pretty visible. Like 20 is really not that dark. Like on camera, it looks like I can't even see out of it, but I would like to roll the window down, but I can't. It's literally been on here for a day now, but you can still see outside. Like, it's such a good decision. All right, so now I'm gonna just take a video of me driving around. I'm gonna put my phone on top of my little, whatever this is. I honestly don't know what this is called, but I'm gonna just put it up on there, and yeah, we'll see that. This is a very weird way of driving. I'm not gonna even lie to you, but we're gonna start driving. I have to like duck down a lot. It's so like uncomfortable, but we're just gonna have to roll with it. I really thought this tint would make driving like impossible. I don't know why, like when I was getting tint, I really did believe that it would make driving such a pain in the ass at night, but dude, this is honestly so nice. I got aftermarket headlights that I will actually link in the description, but they help so much too. They're very bright, so I'll definitely be able to see. You don't need them to be bright. I mean, the tint isn't really even that dark, but it does look dark from the outside. I just wonder when I'm gonna get tickets. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I wonder if I'll ever get a ticket. The whole gang is here. I got the whole fucking gang ahead of me. I thought that guy was about to do a wheelie. Fuck, I want a bike now, dude. I also didn't want to go darker on the windshield. I did not want to be a magnet for the police. Like, I'm already in a WRX, the most pulled over car in the fucking, I think, country, actually. For the WRX being my first main, I guess, nice car. And dude, honestly, I really like it. I like the bare bones style of this car. No big center screen. There's not a lot of like sound dampening. You can really feel when you turn in the wheel. Like nothing is very like electrical and like assisted. I feel like that's kind of like the main thing I like about this car. Like you feel everything, every bump, everything. I love that. I mean, some people don't. some downshifts. This car loves to pop. Even with the stock exhaust system, this car was just popping. But with the Tomai, it really makes it pop. Well, I mean, that's the drive, you guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. At the end of the day, 10 out of 10, would recommend tint. Get on any car or anything. Go as dark as you want, bro. Fuck the tint laws. Tint's a monthly subscription anyway, guys. Tickets are just a monthly subscription. See ya.